Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and oh my goodness do we have some exciting boxes to unpack. Now this has been long awaited. We were told these would be here in early March if I remember rightly, but now as we move into April they have finally arrived and I'm so excited to have them here. These are brand new designs of Paint by Numbers by Bree Merryn. There is also, I believe, some of the diamond art kits as well, so we'll see what we find. I've got how many boxes? 5 boxes to head through, so we'll see what we can find and I'll show you each of the designs as we go through. So these of course are the luxury Paint by Numbers from Bree Merryn. In here you receive your canvas to work on, and then you have all of your paints that you need to go and of course paint your numbers in. Very simple, very effective to do, absolutely incredible value. Lots of designs to choose from. We have a few originals as well. Those are already up there. We'll go take a look at those ones in a moment. But let's chat about our brand new one, shall we? So this is a Bentley, Bow and Bumble. What a cool name. So that's design number 1. Let's have a look at the next one. This one is called Chance. Oh, look at that. What a look. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. Then we'll move forward and we'll have a little look at this one. This one's called Barney and Fred. Oh, look at Barney and Fred. How cute are they? Just sort of stood there having a little chinwag and they having a little chat. You can imagine they're like, oh, what's going on here then? Okay, moving forward, we move on to, what was this one called? Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you. Lovely little border collie there, of course, rounding up the sheep. Again, they look like they're having a little chinwag. Maybe they're having a little bit of a set to. Maybe he's saying, oh yeah, come on, time to get in. And this one's going, no, I want to stay out. I want to play. Who knows? Anyway, moving on to box number 2. Let's have a little look. Oh, I reckon this one. This is the smaller one. Oh no, I felt this might be the diamonds, but it's not the diamonds. It is a few more Paint by Numbers looking at this one, I believe. So what do we have? We have got Peaky Blinder. Ah, look at that for a cool one. What a beautiful design. Look at all the colours that are in this one as well. Isn't that stunning? And I really like this kind of speckled effect in the top there too. Very, very beautiful. Then we move on and we've got Octavia, I reckon. Octavia the Octopus. Again, absolutely spectacular artwork. You can really see how Bree has homed in on all of the fine details, giving you all of those different shades as well. So you can have all the right colours to be able to go in and paint these in, create these beautiful designs. Let's move on to box number 3 and see what's in this one, shall we? Starting to think maybe there isn't any sparkle arts. Maybe they're following a future delivery. We will see. This is the joy of an unboxing. Never really know what we're going to have, do we? Always a mystery and always fun to see. So in this one, what have we got? We've got Cuddly Coos. Oh, look at that one. How cute is that? Now, I know that the Highland Cows was a really, 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 really popular one in the last release. And this is something I haven't mentioned. When Bree does these, she does one release and then when they're gone, they're gone. So like up here, you'll see we've got a few of them left, but only a few. We'll go look at those in just a moment so you know all of them. And I'll tell you the prices as well when we get to those because I forgot to look at them before we unbox them. So excited to share with you what had just arrived. But when they're gone, they're gone. So if there's a design that you've had previously and you can't see it up there, does mean it's gone. So with these ones, just like before, get them while we've got them. Now moving on, we have got Humphrey and Honeydew. They are so cute. Look at them little hedgehogs. Aren't they absolutely adorable? Again, beautiful artwork, everything you need in the box. What's not to love? What's not to get creative? Now, of course, this might be a gift that we're purchasing for somebody. This could be a get well soon gift. This could be a birthday gift. It could be a Mother's Day gift. It could be a Father's Day gift that's coming up, of course, in June. Or maybe, and as I mentioned, these are kind of limited in how long they're available for. So you might even be somebody who is super duper organised and thinking ahead to doing some Christmas shopping, because that is never far away, is it? Oh, we'll add Octavia. We'll come back to the next one. So the next one we haven't seen, I believe, is Ember. Oh, look at that. Look how he's kind of coming down and landing on that beautiful lake, maybe, sea, I'm not too sure, but either way, beautiful. Then we move on, we've got Deirdre and Lottie. Oh, look at them. How cute with the little wellies on, all the fun there. Oh, they've got some stories to tell, haven't they? That'd look lovely in my kitchen. Really lovely, pretty design. Oh, and then we've had that one, haven't we? So we've had Charles. So let's move on and just check in the last box if there's any others we haven't yet seen. I should have been more organised. I should have kept count and made sure that we've got all of them. So while I'm digging into this one, we still never found any sparkles, did we? So I reckon the sparkles must be coming on a future delivery. So sorry for getting your hopes up. I'm sure they'll follow in. So keep an eye on unboxing videos. We'll unbox those when they do arrive. So as always, by the time you're watching this video, these will be available for you in store and they will be available for you online as well. And if you spend over £15, you'll receive free UK P&P, even on a big item like these. So this one is that gorgeous maple. I think maple might well be one of the most popular looking at this design. That's fun, that's bright, that's colourful. That's going to be really interesting to paint in. And again, we're back to that kind of Highland cow beauty, aren't we? We know that everyone loves those. And then lastly, we've got Jade. Oh, look at Jade. Oh, look at the fun he's having out in the fields. Another cracking design. And when you look over all of them, I think you can see how easy it would be to want to build up a bit of a collection, to run through them all and to actually be able to get creative and kind of do these and decorate throughout the house. Maybe a different Bree in every room would be a great way to kind of take these through. Or maybe you're looking at them and you are Christmas shopping or thinking ahead to a birthday kind of gift giving or something similar, and you're starting to think of which people in your world would really appreciate which characters, which designs, which styles. So as I mentioned, there is a few of the originals, and I did forget to look at the prices, so let's go over this way. Let's dig through this way. Now, as you go in, if you do like your paint by numbers, don't forget we do all of the Royal and Langnickel ones as well. Not all of them, but we do lots of them. They're, of course, available. But if it's the Bree ones you're taken by, let's bring down Brody so you can have a little look here. So Brody's recommended retail price is $12.99. So that's, of course, what they are for you. So you have all of the pieces you need in the box to get going. There's our lovely Bree on the back there. We can see some of her stunning artwork behind. As you can see, included, you have, of course, got your paints, you've got your canvas, you've got all of your hooks and hangings needed, and, of course, your brushes to actually paint in the image with as well. As it says, varnish not included, but you certainly don't have to varnish them if you don't wish to. Now, as I said, original designs, we've got Snuggle Up with the Foxes, we've got Brody, and then we've got House Party with all the different birds, Kira, Chill and Pepper, Freebies, and I can't see the end one. I think it's called Pip and Squeak by memory. But these again are available. As you can see, not many of these ones. Literally 1s, 2s and 3s. And when they're gone, they're gone. Don't forget, of course, you can pop in and see us here at Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. We're here 7 days a week from 10 AM to 5 PM. Or if you prefer, you can order online. So pop onto the website www.craftmaniacrafts.com. You can, of course, find the paint by numbers under paint by numbers, or you can shop for them by brand, or you can even shop for them by designer. Or, of course, if you don't want to bother, just type into the search bar paint by numbers and they will appear like a genie in a bottle, whatever works for you. Once you have filled your basket and you go to checkout, if you spend over £15, you're going to receive free UK P&P. If you just wish to go for one, then of course you can pay for your postage. It's a flat rate of £2.95. If you wish to upgrade, whether you spend over £15 or less than £15 to first class P&P, it's a flat rate of £3.95. And if you're watching from around the world and wondering if we can send you some of these amazing paint by numbers, then check out the customer service tab to see which countries we ship to. But if we do ship to your country, it's really plain and simple. Your international shipping is capped at just £10. If it costs less than £10 to post it to you, we will refund the difference to you. If it costs more than that, then we'll actually pay the extra here at Craftmania for you in our attempt to keep it as low P&P as it possibly can be for all of our customers here in the UK and, of course, around the world. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. Thank you very much for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you again soon for our next unboxing. Bye for now.